If one book is buku and many books are buku-buku, then Indonesian just doubles everything to make it plural, right? Well, not quite. And this misunderstanding causes a surprising number of mistakes. Today, we're investigating why does Indonesian often skip plural marking entirely? Why isn't reduplication simply the Indonesian version of English S? English is obsessed with counting. Book, books. Car, cars. Dog, dogs. Indonesian often doesn't care. Context does the work. Saya punya buku can mean I have a book, I have books. Context decides. Yes, reduplication can indicate plurality, but that's not the whole story. Examples: buku-buku, anak-anak, mobil-mobil, rumah-rumah. However, reduplication can also suggest variety, distribution, collective meaning, emphasis, repetition. This is why thinking double equals plural is too simplistic. Native speakers often prefer quantity words. Banyak buku. Banyak, many. Banyak buku. Dua buku. Two books. Beberapa buku. Semua buku, instead of automatically doubling the noun. A learner often says, saya punya buku-buku. A native speaker may simply say, saya punya banyak buku. Now, both work. One sounds more natural. So the common mistake is expecting Indonesian to behave like English by automatically doubling every plural noun. Now it's time to practice. Translate this. 3 houses. 3 rumah. Not necessarily 3 rumah-rumah. Listen to this mini dialogue.
Kamu punya teman di Jakarta?
Ya, saya punya banyak teman di sana.
Which sounds most natural? A. 5 mobil-mobil. B. 5 mobil. Correct. The answer is B. 5 mobil. 5 mobil is more natural. So, Indonesian often leaves nouns unmarked. Reduplication is more than pluralization. Quantity words are extremely important, and context carries meaning. In the next video, we'll discover why the owner comes second in Indonesian and why buku-buku is actually 2 words hiding inside one.